Good morning, traders. Happy Friday. My name is Anna. I'm head coach at Leveraged, and today with me I have Amin, and we are going to trade. So, if you see, take us any trades or discuss any ideas, we just would really appreciate if you use your own trading plan, if you use your own risk management. So, do not copy the trades. Always use your own risk management and your trading strategy. So, yeah, okay. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Friday. It's
Yeah,
almost
happy Monday, everyone. Let's start the
happy Monday.
week. Here we
Let's
go
start the week.
again.
No, no, no. We are ready to finish. We are ready to finish the week. So actually a couple of things. So this week I have been under the weather. So Amin took on big load of streaming on his own himself. And we said that we wanted to start some swing trades. So start some accounts
Oh,
where we are
yeah.
trading swing, right? So where we are swinging and when we are where we are
Let me
looking more for
check.
long-term ideas. So I have my account ready, guys, and I am going to show you some levels for maybe first 5 minutes here. I'm going to try and figure this out, what's going to happen in here and what's going on for the swing setups. So yeah, and I know that Amin already took some trades. So and then please join the Discord where we can discuss more in detail. I'm thinking actually we should create a separate channel where we can all chat together and figure out, on the levels that we want to trade on, and just figure this thing out together. So please join the Discord where you also see Amin stream every day, every working day, Monday to Friday, and take part in that. So, right, let's dig deep in, and I'm just going to see quickly what is Amin up to. So, is this your
Yeah,
swing
moving.
account?
Yeah,
Oh no! What was it that you're trying to sell?
it's
What were you
a pound yen
found
reversal
the
on
end?
this
Right.
right resistance revert hammer.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh,
it was a key level. Last time we had a bounce on this level, it was in 2008, guys. So
all
maybe
right.
not the best level
Not the
to.
best. No, no.
Hello to Ermias.
Hello, good morning or good afternoon, depending where you're joining in. Okay, so well, Amin is losing the trade, but I see you had a winning trade. What was your winning
Exactly. I
trade?
already took a swing trade on Monday, and it was a nice swing
Okay,
actually the same day. So I'm
right,
already in profit, guys, and it was a higher quality setup than this one, so I have to increase the
right.
risk more than this trade. So I'm doing great for now, guys. Let's go.
O-
So for
Okay,
this for this swing trade, I lowered the risk because since it's an all-time level, so I decided
yeah.
to take the swing, but with the lower risk. So even if I lose, I will still be in profit in total.
Okay, so right, you might not be in such a good position right now with the GJ, but you're still
Yeah,
looking good with
it's
your
okay.
winning trade. Okay,
Still,
okay.
still okay.
Um, right. And do you have any eyes at all on something else for the swing trades?
No, I was focused on scalping day trading for gold, guys, because it was madness.
Um,
It was crazy market yesterday, guys.
it was
Absolute
it
madness.
was to be honest, I need to be honest, you guys. I haven't really looked at charts this week that much since
You
I've
you
got
did well. You did well. It was a very tricky week. Many people blow up accounts.
oh yeah. Well, hopefully from now on things go better. But anyhow, I just wanna, figure out what's been going on. So I can see that the gold had the all-time highs, biggest bump. Now today we're on the biggest dump. It's like, what is this? What is this? And
As
the thing is,
expected, guys.
as expected. The thing is, like for me, I trade support resistance, right? So what happens now when I see such a big move and now the pullback, there's nothing on the left. Like I cannot see anything on the left. So it's really, really hard for me to find some levels within this all
I
move
agree.
here. and and figure out what is the gold is going to do. So obviously there is this you can use indicators and you can see that price might stop here and then this is the pullback and we're going to keep on continuing going up. But because there's nothing on the left, I just need to sit on my hands, because opportunity was when we broke the resistance area, which was in here. You can see there's like something on the left in here. But now I just need to sit on my hands. So I think for swing trades, unfortunately, gold for me is out of the charts. Like, I am not going to look at any swing trades on gold. And you can guys agree with me or disagree with me.
Same. I have nothing for
But
gold, guys.
exactly. So it's like, for me, I'm just going to see what the price does. And maybe next week, because this is daily time frame, so I'm going to just wait for more price action. Marcus,
I can still take trades, guys, but the quality won't be the best compared to.
exactly. So this is exactly what I wanted to say. I mean, you jumped into my mind. So for swing trades, I just don't see any opportunities. However, obviously, if I go to 1 minute charts, there's plenty of opportunities to trade. There's plenty of setups to be taken. But for this account, we're only keeping it for swing. So unfortunately, there's not going to be any setups on gold, simply because of there's just not enough for me to go with, because there's nothing on the left. And as a swing trader, I would like to analyze my charts on a daily chart, right? So nothing on the left here. And on 4 hours, it does look a little bit better. So that's what I'm saying. This could be the opportunity that this is the pullback and we're going to buy. But still, because look, if I zoom out, there's nothing. It's just all this big push was covered, right? So now it's like guessing game. Is it going to be the pullback now or not? So I would rather actually want for gold to come in this area somewhere around here, and then I can start to trade it as a swing trader. So that's just my personal preference. So for gold, unfortunately, I'm not friends with gold for this. But speaking of GU though, this is really what caught my eye. This is the daily time frame here. And for the swing trades, I'm going to add more pairs, but like my main pairs that I trade right now is EU, GU, and gold. So obviously these are my like top three pairs that I also want to trade in a swing strategy. But on the GU, what I do see is beautiful pullback. So if you see 1, twice, nice rejection, pushed lower, and we broke. And now we're in this area. So technically, I could be getting into a trade right now. And for me, I would like to go under the previous candle's wick right here. Okay, so that's almost 100 pip stop loss. So that means I need to take, if I want to risk 0.5%, which I don't want to do, I'm going to risk $250, which is 0.25%. So basically, this is where I can put my buy trade on right now. This is fresh account. Oh, yeah, guys, I sold. Forgive me. I want to buy. So I'm buying, and my stop, just as discussed. I'm losing it. It's going to be below this wick. It's not going to let me zoom in anymore, but I hope you can see that this is going to be below that wick. And when it comes to the take profit, beautiful thing is that we still have plenty of range left. Obviously, I could be targeting these previous highs. Unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be enough, right?
Hello,
I don't
Marcos.
think. Hello. We did
Buenos
say
dias.
Buenos dias. Ezekiel, what time frame are you on? So I'm on GU, so British pound dollar, and I'm on a daily time frame. So that's what I'm saying. Now we need to distinguish the take profit, because stop loss is the most important thing. I know where I want to protect, or when I'm going to say that I was wrong in the market. So now what I'm thinking, I need to choose one of these levels here to set my take profit. I mean, what would you do? Where would you set the take profit? Would you go with first, second, third level, or obviously the previous highs, which I think is too high? So I think safe spot would be either target this, which actually aligns. Sorry, guys. What just happened? No, I know. So it could be actually, I could target the previous high, just recent previous high. And obviously I wouldn't want to target into wick. So then I would need to lower it into the body of the candle. But then
Yeah, I
I'm
will do
trading,
that.
but then I'm trading negative risk to reward.
But
And
yeah, it depends if you enter on 4 hours time frame or daily.
daily. That's what I'm
Ah,
doing. I want to swing on daily,
ah,
right? So that's what I'm saying. My stop loss is based on daily candles, and also my profit is based on a daily candle. And now I just got in the trade because look, I see that yesterday and day before yesterday we had nice rejections from this area, which is now considered a new support, because trade here reacted from resistance, reacted again, so 2 times, and now it has broken it. So we had push up, which is break, and now we are retesting this area and using it as a support. So in these candles, so this been happening for 3 days now, right? So yesterday, day before, and today is like another third day until like we are now using it as a support. So I could be targeting this previous high, but I just would like to target more, I guess,
so
based
where are
on
you gonna put the stop loss?
so the stop loss is before under the previous candle's low here.
Nice,
So this
nice
big
choice.
bullish
Excellent.
exact. So obviously I could have put it like,
So put it
under
one to
somewhere
one.
here, but it's not, and then I would be okay to put the take profit in here. But I think for swing trading, we need to, that's what swing traders do. We give more breathing space, more breathing room for the price to actually move. Because what happens if we go for a little bit deeper pullback, leave the wick, and then we push forward, right? So that's why I actually want for my stop loss to be under this candle's wick. So the stop loss, I'm very, very sure about. The take profit is something, that I'm thinking of. And I think I'm not going to go
Use
for this
the
area.
same size.
Well, the thing is, I could just, this is 100 pips, and I could target 100 pips, which would
Yes,
be in
the
here.
classic.
The classic one, yeah. But my experience is I don't like taking set amount of pips and then also targeting that. I'm all about price action. So the logical first
This
one
is
would be
price action. You don't use a set amount of pips. You use uh, a set amount of
structure.
structure.
Yeah, you use structure of the candles, right? So
Yeah.
and that's what I'm saying. The logical one would be to go with this high in here, but then it's negative risk reward. So therefore, I'm willing to push a little bit higher, because looking left, there is actually potential that the price will reach
Yeah,
these
it's a complete
areas in here.
disaster on that.
It's it's complete disaster. So I think I am just, I want to have positive risk reward, and that's why I'm going to go and pick the next target area, which is this one in here, right? So and the thing is, this is not some kind of, I know, like, when I'm going to look, when I'm doing this, you think, whoa, Anna, your take profit is hanging above somewhere, like it doesn't make sense. But it does make sense if you zoom out and you look left, because that's, as swing traders, you should always zoom out and look left so you can see the previous price action.
True.
And this is exactly what you need to do. And yeah, and I went with this one because it just makes sense for me to put it higher. And the thing is, also as a swing trader, what my data says, that actually moving stop. So once I am in the profit, I might start to trail my stop loss, and I might start to move it higher as the price goes, if the price goes higher, right? So for now, let's just keep it like this, positive risk to reward. And let's see if the price is going to reach, and if there's going to be enough bullish momentum for pound. If the dollar is still weak, then that's what most likely will happen. And same quickly also for the EU. EU is a little bit trickier, because EU, I would like to have like a little bit more of a pullback. So let me see. Right, so this one in here. Let's try and find where was the resistance area. Okay. Let's try and find the resistance area. A bit messy in here, but I want to take in consideration this wick in here. There's a wick. Second, like a really big push, but then it reversed and went lower. And this is a break. So now what I actually want to see is for the euro just to try and reach lower into this area. Or then I will see, if next week I have maybe, let's say on Wednesday, I could see potential entry. So I don't know what it does that. Like it just comes on and off. Welcome to MT5, you guys. We love it. We love MT5. So okay, so this is just my approach how I would analyze when I'm swing trading. So I would look at support resistance. I would look also zooming out, looking left where I can see, potentially where the price has been the most, how the price action is behaving. And then for my entries and exits, obviously just depends on the price action. But one thing for sure I don't want to do where I take set amount of pips and I say, okay, 100 pip stop loss and then 100 pip take profit. So I really want to base my strategy on price action. So I need to see the previous highs, previous lows. I need to see how I'm going to set my targets and my stop levels based on the price action. So for EU, I'm sitting on my hands. I am going to wait. And because this is the daily time frame, like I said, I'll need to come back probably on Wednesday, to check in. So that's why also Amin probably forgot his like, oh yeah, I have this swing account, because you don't need to check in with that like
I
all
was
the
checking with the other account just to see how the price action was. I didn't need to check
swing trading. Yeah,
the
exactly.
to connect it to the account. I just needed to check. Oh, the price is there. Okay, good.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday I was winning, but this morning
Yeah.
I was losing.
This morning you were losing. Oh no.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's swing trade, guys. I just need to wait until the
Yeah.
price is done. He's
Look at gold did. Gold did beautiful in 1 minute. There was such a beautiful setup, right? I would already be in the trade. Look, support
ah.
level.
Let me check.
See? This is 1 minute on
Oh
gold, you
la
guys.
la la
Support
la.
level, break,
Very clean.
retest. Beautiful. I would be in here. I would already been in this area and my tick profit would have been hit. But you know what we say? Woulda, coulda, shoulda, and all that kind of stuff. It doesn't get
It's so
into
clean.
it's beautifully clean. Honestly, it's actually amazingly clean. So anyhow, that this is my swing account. So we're not looking 1 minute. And as for gold, I am not getting involved in any swing trades just for now because there's just not enough things on the left. There is just this big push. And is this a pullback? Is this not a pullback? We are not gamblers. We trade with the plan in place. And if my plan says, Anna, you don't have enough proof to say that this is indeed the pullback because there's not just enough price action, I'm just going to sit on my hands and I'm going to wait because that's what the profitable traders do. They just wait when there's no
Exactly. And
opportunity. So
for now we swing trade, so we have so many assets to trade. We don't need to
exactly,
focus on only
we do.
one.
But I think, I mean, are you ready maybe to switch up something and let's maybe go on our scalping accounts? What do you think? Let's scalp because there's nothing, on swing trades. Like there's nothing. So
I have a trade. I have a trade to place first. It's
yeah.
it's a swing on Bitcoin.
Oh, swing on Bitcoin. Let me see. Let me see. By the way, Rob is here. Just want to shout him out.
Hello,
Hey,
Rob.
here for a few minutes, then getting ready. Okay, Rob, thank you for joining in. Amin is hiding
Hello.
today. Yes, he's
It's
hiding.
my
There's some technical difficulties. Okay, so this week
it's
we're
my
having
phone. This is a
difficulties.
mess of cameras, and I try to open. It's
We
working
just see the
well.
living room.
Very
We just
nice living
very
room.
nice room. Yeah, that's what it is.
It's a pain.
Yeah.
The trade I'm going to take right now is on the how we call it uh,
Bitcoin.
previous level on BTC on 4 hours
Mm-hmm.
time frame. As you can see, I have a nice, beautiful hammer outside of the Bollinger Bands.
Mm-hmm.
Stochastics sold, RSI same,
Yeah.
and I need just the next candle to go higher. Okay, so I will just put the order in order to see if it will get trigger soon. But stop loss is just below the wick. Take profit will
Mm-hmm.
be 1 to 1
Mm-hmm.
above around this area. And for now, I will have to check it again in 4 hours. So that's it.
Mm.
That's it. But it's
I mean, my
crypto,
question to
guys.
you when
It can be very
you're
fast, as you can see. Boom! In
right.
4 hours time frame, it made a huge movement.
Exactly. But my question to you is, so when you're swing trading, do you use some kind of alert just so you can go and check in, like to not forget? Because that's what
Yeah,
happens when you're like, oh, alert, I need to go and check in. Otherwise, you just forget because there's no movement or whatsoever.
yeah. I use some kind of alerts when I need the price to reach some key levels for me to go and see if I have any good price action. Because even if the price is on a good level, it's not
Mm,
enough. I need better confirmations to enter the trade. So the alert would be just to tell me, yeah, come check. We are on the support or the resistance monthly or weekly or daily. So
mm-hmm,
it's just to tell me, yeah, you need to come and work.
mm-hmm,
That's it for now. But now I've already have the setups. I just need, but it's not. It's on a 4 hours time frame. Is the minimum I can do as a swing. I can go lower, guys. Otherwise, it's
mm-hmm,
not a swing anymore. So we are on a key support right now with
mm-hmm.
a nice hammer, and outside of the band of Bollinger, everything is oversold. So
It
I just
looks
place the
good.
order above and wait for the price to see how it will be in the next 4 hours,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will decide to remove it or not. The setup. That's it.
That's it. Okay. So, and I think many long term investors are just praying now that this is the Bitcoin's pullback and we're now to the moon because
Yeah.
seeing
Are you
Bitcoin.
investing?
Yeah, but I took out quite a lot of Bitcoin when it was over 100K, and I'm happy about my decision. Many will like, why did you do that? Why did you not
It's
wait
an
until it's
investment,
million?
so it's normal.
So it is what it is. You just need to go with what you promised you're going to do. So anyhow, we have Alex saying that I bought DAX at liquidation at 24341. Okay, triggered after FOMC. So DAX is indice, and like I said, me and indices, I don't go well together.
Same.
Um, okay, so me and Amin, we're like really, really the same.
It's crazy.
Oh my goodness, I love this Rob's comment. Can I borrow the invisibility cloak? I mean, please. It's like from Harry Potter. If you like, I love Harry Potter. Like the cloak that you put on and then you
I've
get
dreamed to have
invisible.
it when I was
So
younger,
that's what you're having.
but there is
Oh,
some technology right now. We finally be able to get to this level, so I have to check deeply. I think it's more military stuff,
right.
but I will try to get it, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Just
He,
you walk at peace, invisible.
yeah, I know. Nobody can disturb you or anything
Yeah.
like that.
Otherwise,
It's
I'm out.
great.
Yeah. Hey, do you have something to smoke? No. I want to
That's so
enjoy peacefully
peace.
without
Peace.
smoke, nothing.
Without peace. Right. Okay. So Alex says indices always goes up. Grab liquidity. So grab liquidity and then go up. Yeah, I guess. I guess. But it also happens, on the sale trades. They just grab liquidity and then they push. Um, but yeah. Okay, gold is in key level. I mean, would you please be so kind and share your gold chart and let's see where is that key level? Because I am looking at 4 hours and there's actually there is like support level, but because it just pushed so much, it's yeah, it's not good. Are you trying to go to gold, or is your chart just like frozen?
It's I'm struggling. I'm struggling.
Okay, it's okay. I'll show mine. It's okay. So this is gold chat.
Uh,
This is gold chart, and the thing is, I do see that there is, some level in here on 4 hours. Look at daily, guys. There's nothing. There's nothing on daily because we had was this bullish level, bullishness of the bullishness, basically. Obviously, yeah, we can use some Fibonacci levels, and then you will see, those fib levels in there, but when you look at the price action, like you need to have bullish and bearish candle to say that there is some price action going on. You cannot just like look at these bullish candles and say, "Oh yeah, this is great price action." Like it's not.
this is not great price. This is price action, but not great.
Not great. Obviously, yes. Yeah, all the candles, all the movement. But
You
Yeah.
can trade it, but trust me, the win rate won't be that great.
Yeah. You know how you can share? Please go to our Discord, go to the trading floor and share your analysis, share your charts, because it would maybe help other traders to see something that they cannot see. So please look into it, the Discord, trading floor, and share your charts with us. So maybe we can then see where is that key level. Key level determine the next move. Yeah, because key levels are like our support resistance. Key levels is where the price is bouncing, where the price has been multiple times, and there's also like what is the key level then? How do you determine what is the key level? Some will see the key level has to be when it aligns with this and this, when it's in with this indicator or with the Fib level, so it's it's just really, really important that you identify what is key level and then you go with that. And for myself, the key level is something where the price has been multiple times when I look left and I see clear structures where I see it. Now on gold, I see nothing. I see bullish and a big bearish candle, Maybe someone will see it as a candle pattern, bullish, hammer, and now what is it called? What's the shooting star? I guess you can read it as a shooting
Yeah.
star. It's like a reversal pattern, obviously, or indecision. Really, like you never know what's going to happen after the price is just like doing this, and so it's. I mean, there's so many things, and that's why trading is so personal because each of us finds something that works for us the best. And for me, I just need to have something on left, and because there's nothing, I'm not going to trade at. So yeah. Uh Question. What do I think of iForex platform? I don't know, but I'll tell you what I think of Get Leveraged is great platform. You can join. You have 5 programs to choose from. Turbo is the easiest way to get started
It's
and to even
one
test you as a
is the
trader.
best, guys. Turbo is
It
the
is the
best.
best.
Truly, many people should use it and
Yep.
have multiple accounts, guys, because like this you will be better to and you will fast go fast on learning path on progress. Because one
Yeah.
account at a time, you're gonna struggle more. But if you have multiple accounts, you may be detached of the some kind of situation and emotion during the market. So you can have one account when you have one trade per day, and you see
Mhm.
how clean it is, and you have another account when you maybe will be more emotional, etc. And you pay only when you pass the challenge. So
Mhm.
beautiful.
Beautiful. And obviously, guys, also to keep in mind to keep the transparency open, there is a trailing drawdown. And once you're funded, there is consistency score. So please always make sure that you read through when you purchase a program. And consistency score is 20%, which basically means that your best trading day has to be times 5 profit on your account to be able to reach that consistency. And if you don't understand, you're always welcome to reach out to our support at getlivers.com or on the website, go to the chat, live chat, and someone will attend to you and will explain how it works. But it's always really important to read through everything. But Turbo program is truly the best because you just pay that small fee and you are already in the market and you can try and test it. And I love what Amin said, you can have multiple accounts and you can, this account I'm going to trade this, for this account I'm going to trade that. And then you can use it as a test, but it's like more intense test because there's already some as our CEO would like to say, skin in the game. So you already paid some money for it, which is like ridiculous small amount, but you still pay some money for it, and then you just look at it a bit differently. So yeah, Turbo is definitely a great way. Anyhow, we have someone joining and say, "Hey everyone! Yay! Hey, happy
Hello.
Friday!"
Happy,
Right.
happy, happy.
Happy Friday, Friday, Friday. We have great happy Friday. Okay. So, okay, Alex says gold order flow at 5,007 in 4 hours and support at 4,990 as previous week's high pivot point. Of course, yes, that's your way how you determine the key levels. Is you're going to take the
Yes, by
weekly.
using the order flow.
Yes, by using the weekly highs, weekly lows, daily highs, daily lows. So this is one way how to determine the key
Yes.
level. My key levels are based on price action. I need to look left.
Exactly.
There's nothing on left.
Some people
So
use Fibonacci's extension
exactly.
either for a pullback, either for a overextension. So
Mm-hmm.
there is many ways, guys. Just pick the
Mm-hmm.
one you are
Pick the one that
confident
suits
with
you.
it and at
Yeah,
ease, and
exactly.
repeat it.
Repeat
Repeat.
and back test and use proper risk management. We're like,
Exactly.
we need to make like a song or something where we're like, and
Yeah,
back.
we need like this, like come on, like proper risk. Stop
Proper
overtrading. Stop over.
it's we need to,
Follow the
what we
plan. Follow the plan.
plan. We need to release like there's podcasts, there are like different CDs and
True.
all that. What we need to do, I mean, we need to release trading music.
Exactly. I think I will try to do it on this on Discord. I have some songs, but it's only stuff like Mario songs when he's dying, etc.
Right.
So I need
Okay.
something more punchy for you guys.
Punchy, yeah. So anyhow, me and Amin, we are going to release songs for traders. But anyhow, guys,
Soundtracks
talking
for
about
traders.
soundtracks for traders. But talking about that, I feel like I'm going to lose my voice very quickly. So actually, I would like to wrap up the
Yay.
stream. Um, talking about that, actually, me and Amin were working on workshop sessions, and this is going to put us a little bit more pressure so we can bring it out to you much quicker, guys. But we're working really hard, and we
It's a
want to
big
bring more
project.
education. And we want to feed you guys with the education that is actually going to help you. So we're bringing on like workshops, and hopefully we can start to launch very, very soon. And they will be in the webinars format where you come, it's just we're going to call them workshops. So you're going to come and you're going to learn new things. And if you feel like you know it, it's okay. We're going to start with the
Trust me,
basics,
guys.
and
Even if
then
you know it, it's good
it's
to
good.
have it as a reminder. Even for us, it took us many years in trading, and it was always good for us to
Mhm,
have a reminder of what we already knew, because it's
mhm.
like reshaping and giving us more confidence
Yeah.
and affirmation and make it stick in our head. So
Mhm.
learning is not enough, guys. You need a
Yeah.
repeat.
Repeat and back test and make
Surely
sure.
it's surely that, guys. Once it's not enough. You need truly to repeat, repeat,
Yeah.
repeat.
You do. It's like going to the gym. Once is not enough. If you want the
Exactly.
results, you need
Otherwise,
to go
guys,
there all the time,
everyone will
right?
be great in the gym. Huh? Once a year, I'm
Okay.
done.
Okay.
Next time.
Yeah. Anyhow, there is a couple of questions I'm going to answer quickly. I like what Alex is saying here. It is the end of the work week, and once can also close out positions at the New Year stock exchange. Liquidation grabs at 5. Yes, of course. This is actually another like strategy of how we say what happens when the big guns come in and they close their positions, and then actually market reacts to that, because
Oh,
obviously when
nice
someone
name.
it's like, yeah, when someone is starting to sell, what's going to happen in the market? It's going to
Exactly.
dump, right? So anyhow,
Mr.
my
Nice
thought,
Guy. You see the name?
Mr. Nice Guy. Yeah, I love that. Alex, Mr. Nice Guy, you're great.
By the way,
Um,
my name is Mr. Bright Amin.
oh, Mr.
Bright
Bright, I mean,
Amin.
yes, we
Yeah,
discussed
Bright
that
Amin.
yesterday. Bright,
That's
I
what it
mean,
is.
that's what it is. I love this, you guys. We have nice guys in here, bright guys, beautiful community, beautiful community. Right, okay, so there is a trading rule. Only the 2 minutes rule is what I would like to be clearer, please. There's nothing to be more clearer. Your trade has to be on open for 2 minutes at least. So, however, saying that, if you're a scalper, we do understand if you scalp like gold, let's say if some of your trades will hit quicker than 2 minutes, but it's based on your strategy, right? And I'm not saying now if nine trades out of 10 is going to be under 2 minutes, most likely risk team is going to reach out to you and will say, what's happening? Are you trying to, what is it that you're trying to do? Maybe you need to explain your strategy. But there is 2 minute rule in place, and you just need to simply hold on to your position for 2 minutes. So it's not like you do open, close, or just try and like, I feel like this is going to do this and this. So yeah, there has to be explanation. Um, yeah, exactly. You just have to hold your trades at least for 2 minutes. Simple as that, right? Um, yes, but sometimes perfectly valid strategies can happen within 2 minutes time. Even you guys sometimes are restricting yourselves from executing trades because of this rule. Well, the rules are rules. The rules are in place. And if your strategy is always just having 30-second, 15-second trades, unfortunately, you cannot utilize it with leverage prop firms. So then what you need to do is, find another ways. But maybe you can create a strategy that is going to hold the trades for 2 minutes.
You can
Um,
use the same strategy just on a higher time frame.
exactly, that would be one suggestion. Do the same thing if you're doing it on 1 minute, to do it on higher time frame. And then another one would be, again, if now and then, because of the volatility, your strategy is still good and most trades will be held like let's say 10 minutes, but sometimes you do happen the trades closes in 1 minute, right? And
Yeah, it
sometimes it
happens to
does
me
happen.
many
Exactly,
times.
it happens
It
to me
wasn't
as
my
well.
goal, but just gold decided to act crazy.
Yeah, so it is what it is. Obviously, in those moments, that is going to be understandable. But if all of your trades are under 2 minutes, then
Although I took a
unfortunately,
trade and I won, guys. Celebration.
you won.
Yeah, no
What did
time to
you
wait.
do?
No time
See,
to wait. I
you were
sold
just
there, as
secretly
you can
selling
see.
gold.
I sold there. It was a scalp. It took me 3 minutes. Boom. Sold there. Stop loss above. We have stochastic cross over both there. And
Oh my
boom.
goodness.
Take profit just below.
Sneaky. Amin is sneaky. He's sneakingly scalping
A
while I'm
sniper
talking.
is like this, guys.
Sniper. Okay, well done. ER Masters. Ermiastes. I'm sorry, I'm not going to say your name.
It's
Anyhow, a question
yeah.
here.
When it's like
I
this, I stop the first letters. Me.
right. I have some trades that is under 2 minutes. What do I have to do now? You don't have to do anything. If it's some of the
All good.
trade, it's okay. You're all good. If there is a pattern where your trading history is going to look 30 seconds, 2 seconds, I've seen it. Then most likely risk team is going to reach out to you. There is a really important question here. What's the interview with the risk management team? Can you explain that? So
Nice
basically,
question.
interview. Um, and look, the interview is there for risk team to get to know you a little bit better, so we can understand what kind of risk approach you use, what kind of strategy you're using. Just explain it. And also, sometimes risk management team is reaching out if there is some close patterns with prohibited strategies. So then you just need to go on a call and explain, look, I'm trading this way. This is my strategy. This is how it works for me. And it's just like a standard call because you do trade with our funds. So it is okay for us to reach out to you and, please tell us a little bit more. How do you trade? Simple. Nothing crazy, you guys. Not talking about all trades, but this period, probably 20 to 25% of my trades are within 2 minutes. I only trade gold. Well, I don't have like number to say when the red flag is going to be raised, but for sure it would maybe like
20%, it's a lot.
it is a lot. So one thing would be to go to a higher time frame or just to rethink why is it that your trades are like happening so fast. So yeah, I mean the gold is very volatile. You can see Amin's trade took only 3 minutes, right?
Yeah,
It,
crazy.
it was in and out. So just
But because I was on 1 minute time frame and I took a very small size, so this is
yeah,
why. But if I was on 5 minutes time frame, the same trade won't be that fast.
yeah, yeah. That's maybe something to discuss about the 2 minutes. Right. Alex, Mr. Nice Guy says gold. Gold 4 hour is bearish, 88%. Um, daily is 78% bullish, weekly 90% trend bullish.
Yeah,
Yeah, for
on
sure
four
it's
hours time
bullish.
frames, it's bearish. But I need the closure of the candle before taking the swing as a sell.
As a sell.
I may
Yeah.
take a swing sell on gold, but I will check it on the afternoon.
I think what happened was buyers simply started to close their buying positions here, and that's why market started to sell off. So it's like where is going to be the last buyers that's going to say, okay, I think this is it. I need to close my positions now, because I bet there are traders who got in here for a buy and now are freaking out because or all their profits are gone because they never closed the position. So it just depends
Yeah,
what
it
the
was
market.
crazy crash, guys. Huh?
It
And
was
on
crazy
Discord,
falling crash, crazy push, and then
we've been there, guys, during the crash. I was there to tell you how to act. Some people didn't listen, got the account blow up. Others did. Bravo to them. They've been able to
yeah.
save their assets. And we have Stellion on Discord who give you a nice explanation, analysis on the crash. Last time we
Hmm.
had this kind of crash, it was 100 years around. And this crash in 30 minutes wipe out at $2.5 trillion, and it's
Wow.
corresponding to the full market cap of cryptos. It's like in 30 minutes, no more
Yeah.
cryptos, guys. It's
No,
crazy.
exactly. It just wild. It is absolutely wild. This crash here was insane. It's like 4,000 pips. 4,000 pips.
In 30
Ridiculous.
minutes. Wow.
Yeah,
Previous
ridiculous.
crash was way less in volume and it took few days.
Wow. Mental. Well, we live in the historical time, so it's really,
Yeah,
really
we
interesting.
start the year strong, guys.
We start the year strong for sure. It's still January, like we're still in January.
We didn't finish the month.
we're, we're definitely starting strong. Okay, Random says the max is 1 million funding. When can we have access for more funding? Just excitement.
Whoa, chill.
Well, first, how about if you just, enjoy the 1 million that you have? And by the way,
Join the
guys, for
1
those
million club and then
no,
we'll
join
see.
the 1 million club. So we do offer classic accounts, which is junior, senior, and executive. So for executive accounts, you can get 250K, half a million, and a million accounts. Now, the one thing that sometimes traders mess up in here, not mess up, just misunderstand, is we do not offer scaling. There's no scaling plan available. So basically, the idea is this then if you start on senior, you get the payout. What you can do, then you can reinvest that payout money
Exactly.
and you can purchase like the new executive account, and then you can that's how you can increase your capital.
Yes.
So no scaling plan, but that's the way how to increase it.
And
And
for me, it's better, guys, because
mm,
you have to learn how to have proper risk management and take
yes,
money from it. You have to learn how to take profit from the
yeah,
account and then reinvest it for yourself for a higher account. This is what you should do. You should not try to big win fast with the
no,
small account. You have to proper win the account you have. You take payouts and then
hmm
you take a higher level.
hmm
Beautiful.
beautiful then. Okay,
Gold is
right.
dropping, guys. Let's cry.
Gold is dropping. Yeah, we see. Like you missed out on so much.
Yeah, yeah. It's sadness, but it's okay, guys. I will have other setups.
It's okay. Right, you guys. So, just wanted to say, me and Amin, we're going to be back again next week, and we are going to look more into swing trading, and we are also going to open swing trading channel in Discord. So please join our Discord community. And later on, Amin is going to be streaming live, so we will see what is going to happen, and maybe Amin is going to
Yeah,
get into more trades.
it's crazy,
Um,
guys. It's crazy. Gold is acting crazy, so
Gold is
I don't
acting
know what's
crazy.
gonna happen, but it's not the best for the eyes.
No, look at this gold. It's just absolutely going down.
Smashing. It's like
Uh,
I'm out. But we expected that, guys, because you can go a full rocket to the moon without any pullback. So for me, it
Yeah.
was expected to act like this.
Hmm.
Maybe it's a little too much.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, and actually, that's the truth. We also have scheduled news. That's in UK time. Have to. So that's going to be big moves on gold now, for sure, for sure. Look at that. We're witnessing the history, you guys. Okay. A question: why are you why you're not active on your own channel? Because I'm head coach at Leveraged and I'm active here. I'm here for you guys, for your disposal. I'm here for you. You can connect with me in here. Right, guys. I am going to finish the stream. Later on, Amin is going to be live in Discord and also on X, so you can join in there. Join the community. Also, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please put a like on. We are now almost at 1,800 subscribers. So we truly appreciate you all, guys. So thank you so much for being here. And we will see you. We will see you next week, Monday to Friday. Yeah.
Exactly. So, guys,
Okay.
please, I repeat again, we have extreme movements on the market. Don't over risk, don't over trade, accept the losing trade, don't move the stop loss, don't increase the size of the stop loss, follow the plan, and you will be fine. Okay,
Yeah.
guys.
Right. It's always like this. When we try to leave, you guys have the best questions. What's up with that? Why you're not asking questions when we're just starting the
Yeah.
stream?
Huh?
Okay. Right.
We
Okay,
need to
let's
warm
try
up.
and help this. Right. I mean, let's try and help. I need help. I'm just not able to take trades. I'm personally working on ICT. I'm just so confused. I have decided to trade three pairs, GU, EU, and UC, USD CAD. I have learned the strategy. It's just I'm not able to trade. Okay, let's try and kind of go through what
What
happened.
does
So
it
you
mean
say,
it's not able?
well, exactly. So my question to you, what does it mean not able? Are you struggling with execution? Do you feel emotionally attached when you're putting on the trade and you may be scared to risk on that? Is there maybe no time for you to trade because you're working full time? You say that you're just confused on ICT. So maybe you need to study more and you need to write down exact trading plan. So then that's going to help you to be more confident in your strategy. I love the fact that you have chosen three pairs because less is more. So that means you can focus more on each asset, which is great. So now it's just, you have learned the strategy. So you know the strategy, but you say you're not able to trade. So you need to figure out, like, why are you not able to trade? Is it because you're working full time? Is it because there's some emotion attached? Is it because you're not sure in the strategy? Maybe you need to do more back testing. Okay. I need to stop. So yeah, it's like your question is great, and I think you're up for a good start. You have your assets. You did it seems like you've done your study on the strategy, but it's just now you're like in that stage where you need to, you need to take the next step. And actually, the good step would be start to trade turbo account. Get that turbo account, very small price to get started, and then that's going to put that feeling in that you are actually in this, and try and slowly trade it. Right. Okay. So you will active on this channel. Yes, we are streaming Monday to Friday. Amin and me, we are team. Let's go. Scalping and swing trading and singing when
Yeah,
we're.
I don't know about that.
Thanks for answering. You're welcome. Right. Okay. Execution and confused which session. And sometimes I trade London, sometimes New York. I'm not doing it on one session. Okay, so pick a session and see what works for you the best. Like, for example, I know for sure that I cannot trade a London session NAS 100. It just doesn't work. It's like,
Yeah,
I
we
don't think
tried,
I can.
guys.
We've tried, okay?
We
We
had
have
many
tried.
weeks, but
And
you have
you
to accept the
see,
reality. We can't force.
we can't. We can't. Um, so obviously pick a session and then try to go with it. But you know what, guys? This is what happens in one-on-one coaching sessions as well. A lot with traders is that they are all over the place, and I'm like, have you actually sat down to collect some data? And this is where this hopping thing happens. You are trying one thing for a little bit, then you're trying another thing for a little bit, then you're found this new thing that you're going to try for a little bit. So it's like there's no consistency, right? So try and find a session, look at your three pairs, write down your trading plan, follow the rules, execute. I mean, it's simple, right? But obviously, it's going to take discipline. It's going to take you to build those behavior patterns that are going to help you to trade. And I'm just looking at gold and it's just going down. It's crazy. I'm just super curious what's going to happen. But yeah. I mean, someone says, I want to learn how to backtest. Can you teach me, please? Yes.
Come,
We, come to the Discord session.
to Discord next
Yes.
stream. I will show you.
Exactly. Join the Discord. You guys, you have Amin there multiple hours a day available to ask questions. Discord is the place where you can connect as a community, where you can connect as traders and you can ask questions. You can exchange with ideas. You can really feel that
Exactly.
community feeling that there's someone who is like supporting you. And Amin is doing a great, amazing job, not only trading, not only showing his skill as a trader, but also just being there as support for you all guys. So go and join these sessions, go and join the calls, open up the mics and talk. Don't be shy. Just
Yeah,
talk.
every day we have many people with who we interact and we help each other. So don't miss that, guys. Truly is the best way to progress fast
Yeah.
instead of staying alone.
Yeah. Right. I have my role set. I take max 2 trades. Don't move stop loss. I don't take trade until all my roles are set, but yet I'm not profitable. Okay, well, maybe then there is something to work on your strategy. So obviously, at some point, you need to decide when the strategy is not good. You guys, I went through a painful year where I was trying to push through the strategy that was not profitable anymore. And I would just push and push and push and try to sit in that strategy, try to execute on that strategy. But it's like there is actually a time where we need to give up and we need to say, you know what, this strategy is not working anymore. So first, I see you're trying to target quite a high risk reward, 1 to 3. Try lower targets.
Exactly.
Try to back this and go with a lower target. Try to see maybe there is a way how you can protect your account, set to break even, or either trail stop loss. But that all needs to be done in backtesting. You need to collect that data, so that's just like giving you ideas. But I mean, it looks simple. You have roles, you take 2 trades, and you don't move stop loss, and you don't take the trade until all your rules are met. So maybe you actually need to go back test and see if some change has to be done. And from now on, I'll just stick to New York, and London close session works. Okay, right. So you think you have got your session. Okay, good. I think for me and Amin, also the New York session works better.
True.
When I backtest the strategy is working, I feel it's me who isn't the consistent. You know why it's working? Probably because when you backtest the strategy, there's no emotion attached. That's why backtesting is good, but what really sets you on that right course is forward testing, which means actually testing the strategy on live markets.
Exactly.
So it's just going in, and this is also something that Amin talks a lot and does a lot in the Discord. So again, you guys, you just need to be in the Discord and you need to join Amin's session so you can talk about these things, so we can, you can connect and you can really try and understand how to help. But anyhow, guys, I feel like I'm losing my voice here, and we are going to close this live stream. So thank you so much for all the questions. Me and Amin, we're going to be back on YouTube on Monday. And Amin is going to be back later on. Let's see if he's going to buy gold, if he's going to sell gold. We don't know what he's going to do.
I don't know. I let the market decide, guys. Just follow the markets. We can't push.
Right. Okay. Let's see. Thank you so much, you both. I feel much more confident and I will get in touch very soon. Okay. Let's go random. I love it. Let's go random. Okay. Right. Okay. Amin, good luck to you when you're going to trade later on. And we will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Use proper risk management. Don't over risk. And we will see you Monday. Take care.